Right there, guys. I went to a charity shop and got a couple of these Xbox 360s. They obviously broke, so took up screws out of the top. Turn it over, crack it over, see what's inside it. Piece of steel. That's obviously where your CD game goes into. I'll crack that open and look inside that in a minute. Steel case. And some boards with top hats and some gold plating. That's the board inside. Check this with a magnet. Some copper pipe. I'll have to test this, I don't know if it's aluminium or it may be copper. It's quite like chips and all sorts, so I'll strip this down, get it out of the case a bit more and I'll look what the board is. So, back in 2 minutes. See you again, guys.